Jake, we've been together for 2 years. Why haven't I met your family yet?
Why is that such a big deal all of a sudden?
All of a sudden? I've been asking you this for months.
I just don't think it's necessary right now.
Not necessary? I'm your girlfriend, not a secret.
You're not a secret. Relax.
Then why does it feel like one?
My family is complicated. You wouldn't understand.
Try me.
They're very judgmental, okay? I'm protecting you.
Or you're hiding me.
That's not true.
Then prove it. Introduce me.
Why are you forcing this?
Because after 2 years, I should matter enough.
You do matter.
Then why do I feel invisible in your life?
You're overthinking it.
No, I'm realizing something.
What?
Men don't hide women they're proud of.
That's not fair.
What's not fair is loving someone who keeps you in the shadows.
You're twisting this into something it's not.
Then tell me what it is. Clearly.
I like keeping parts of my life separate.
Separate or secret?
Why do you keep saying that?
Because that's how it feels to me.
My parents ask too many questions.
About what?
Your job, your past, your family, everything.
I can answer questions. I can't answer silence.
I don't want you to feel judged.
I already feel judged. By you.
That's not what I meant.
Then what did you mean?
I thought I was protecting you from discomfort.
By giving me a different kind of discomfort?
I didn't think this would hurt you.
Because you never imagined yourself in my place.
I thought you trusted me.
Trust needs transparency.
You know I love you.
Love shouldn't feel like a secret mission.
That's dramatic.
No, that's honest. I know your friends. I know your coworkers.
So?
But I don't know the people who shaped you.
That doesn't change anything between us.
It changes how I see my place in your life.
You're putting too much weight on this.
2 years is weight.
I needed more time.
For what? To be sure about me?
Don't say it like that.
Then say it the right way.
I'm scared they won't approve.
Of me? Or of your choice?
Both.
And instead of standing by me, you chose to delay me.
I was trying to avoid drama.
And created distance instead.
I didn't realize it looked this bad.
Because you're not the one feeling invisible.
What do you want from me right now?
Honestly?
I don't know how to face them with this.
With us.
They have expectations.
And where do I stand in those expectations?
I never wanted you to feel small.
Yet, here I am. Feeling exactly that.
Please don't cry.
I'm not crying because I'm weak. I'm crying because I feel unclaimed.
That's not true.
Then why do I feel like I exist only in private?
I need time to fix this.
You've had time. What you need is courage.
You think I'm a coward?
I think you're afraid to choose openly.
That hurts to hear.
It hurts more to live. I never asked to be displayed.
Then what are you asking?
To be acknowledged without hesitation.
I didn't know this meant so much to you.
Because you never asked what matters to me.
I thought being together was enough.
Being together secretly is not togetherness. I don't want to fight.
Neither do I.
Then stop making me feel like I'm asking for too much, when I'm only asking for my place in your life.